Urwa bin Zubair says that Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha said to him, "O nephew, I have got this news that Hazrat Abdullah bin Umar radiyallahu anhu is going to pass by us on the occasion of pilgrimage. You should meet him and ask him questions, for he has learnt a lot from the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam." Urwa says, I met him and asked him about same matters about which he used to narrate the ahadith of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Urwa says of the things which he narrated was that the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu will not take knowledge away from the hearts of the people. Rather, He Jalla Jalaluhu will cause the religious scholars to die together with their knowledge, and only illiterate leaders will be left among the people, who will give reply without having any knowledge. They themselves will be led astray and lead the others astray. Urwa says, when I narrated this hadith to Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha, she considered the statement extremely strict and denied it, and said, had he said that he heard it from Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Urwa says that the next year, Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha said, Hazrat Ibn Umar radiyallahu anhu has come. You should meet him, and again asked him about the hadith which he narrated about knowledge. Urwa says, I visited him and asked him about it. He whereupon narrated the hadith as he narrated it last time. Urwa says, when I narrated that hadith to Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha, she radiyallahu anha said, I think he is true, and he neither added to nor subtracted anything from this hadith. Sahih Muslim Hadith number 6740.